Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will compare Nissan Altima versus Kia Optima. Let's immediately dive into their performance. The Altima often offers a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, while the Optima typically features a 2.4-liter or a 1.6-liter turbo. Horsepower figures vary, with some Altima trims reaching over 200 horsepower. Fuel economy is competitive, often around 30 miles per gallon combined. We'll also look at front-wheel drive versus available all-wheel drive. Moving inside, both sedans offer comfortable interiors, but material quality can differ across trim levels. The Altima often features an 8-inch touchscreen, while the Optima might offer a similar size or slightly larger. Both include Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Driver assistance suites like automatic emergency braking and lane keeping assist are common, with higher trims offering more advanced features for enhanced safety and convenience. When it comes to safety, both the Altima and Optima typically earn high marks from organizations like the IAS and NHTSA. Standard safety features often include a rearview camera and multiple airbags. Advanced options like blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert are frequently available. Reliability scores are generally good for both, though specific model years can show slight variations in consumer reports. Finally, let's talk value. Starting prices for both the Altima and Optima are competitive, often beginning around $26,000, but can climb significantly with higher trims and optional packages. Warranty coverage is a key differentiator, with Kia often offering a longer powertrain warranty of 10 years or 100,000 miles. Ultimately, your choice depends on priorities like performance, interior features, and long-term ownership costs. Don't forget to check the description for links to the Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.